Real Housewives of Atlanta alum Kim Zolciak and estranged husband Kroy Biermann have reportedly been put on notice that their Georgia mansion is heading for foreclosure, RadarOnline.com has learned. The home's lender informed the estranged couple that they plan to move forward with foreclosure unless Kim and Kroy head back to court over their unpaid mortgage. Court documents obtained by TMZ revealed Truist Bank attorneys informed Kim and Kroy that they plan to take back ownership of the home, which was heavily featured on the hit Bravo show. Documents stated the bank intends to initiate non-judicial foreclosure proceedings on May 3. While the estranged couple doesn't have to be out by May 3, documents warned legal proceedings will soon be underway unless they go back to court to fight for ownership of the home. The development comes after Truist filed similar documents in January that underlined their right to foreclose on the property. However, the case was moved to the inactive docket. Kim and Kroy initially planned to sell the home before the threat of foreclosure came knocking at their doorstep. After months of back and forth between the embattled couple, currently in a contentious divorce, the exes eventually agreed to list the home for $6 million in October. After months on the market with no offers, Kim and Kroy were forced to reduce the listing price. The home is currently still on the market for $4.5 million. As RadarOnline.com reported, Truist Bank argued back in January that the reality star and her estranged husband defaulted on their mortgage and, thus, the bank had the right to begin foreclosure proceedings. In the filings, the bank said it intended to exercise its rights unless Kim and Kroy repaid the debt owed on the $5.5 million property. Truist's January filings followed an injunction and temporary restraining order request that the estranged couple filed against the bank in October in an attempt to block the foreclosure of their home. Kim and Kroy cited their divorce and ongoing fight over the ownership of the house in the filings. They further argued they would suffer immediate and irreparable injury and that to allow Truist Bank to continue with the foreclosure would thwart the spirit and intention of the order issued in the divorce case in order to preserve the marital estate.